Okay, here we have a Kenmore model 110 that I was not able to get the heat to ever cycle off. Now these dryers do not have a cycling thermostat. They're all computer controlled by a module right here that is found under the lid here of the dryer. There are 3 screws in the back. Those are your 3 screws, and they just pull out from this lip right here. And here's where the module is at. Okay, so here is our control board that we were able to pull off of the washer. Now here is the relay that enables the heating element. Now this relay is triggered by a 12 volt DC that actually closes these 2 contacts that form the circuit, the common circuit to enable the heater element to turn on. Now on mine, you will see that the circuit is closed. Okay, that should not be the case. Only should this be closed when 12 volts are applied. Now I purchased one of these directly on Amazon, and I'll provide the link down below. But this is the replacement relay, and I think it cost around $12.99. But if you notice here, there is no connection. So somewhere along the way, this relay has frozen in the closed position, creating a continuous circuit and never turning the heating element off. Now this also can freeze in the other way, to where the circuit freezes open, the relay is frozen open, and the heater element never turns on. So if you are having issues, you've replaced your thermistors, and you're feeling like the control board is not controlling the dryer enough, of course you can buy a new control board. They're about $110, or you can do a quick test on this relay. And if you're seeing that it's in the closed position when the control board is pulled from the system, then you know that the relay is bad. Or if you could never get it to close when you apply 12 volts. By the way, these are the 12 volt. These are the 2 leads here that you want to apply the 12 volts that should close these 2 leads. That's another way to test it. Okay, so as you can see, here is our new relay here, right in here. And then I've reinstalled all of the control board and remounted the support frame. And we're now powered up. We're just going to go here to delicate. That should be extra low heat. We'll just give this a test. And what we should see here is a cycling of the heater coil. There it goes. Off. Relay is working. Job done.